Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to safely jack up a Ford Mustang. Before starting, ensure your car is on a flat, firm surface. Always engage the parking brake and place wheel chocks on the tires that will remain on the ground. You will need a sturdy floor jack, at least 2, but preferably 4 reliable jack stands and wheel chocks. Safety is paramount when lifting a vehicle weighing over 3,500 pounds. To lift the front of your Mustang, locate the sturdy frame rails or the K-member, which is the front subframe. Carefully position your floor jack directly under one of these strong points. Slowly raise the vehicle to your desired working height. Once lifted, immediately place your jack stands under the opposite strong point, either the frame rail or the K-member, ensuring they are stable before lowering the car onto them. For the rear of your Mustang, the differential housing, often called the pumpkin, is an excellent central jacking point. Position your floor jack precisely on the flat, sturdy part of the differential, avoiding the cover. Slowly lift the rear of the car until it is high enough. Then, place your jack stand securely under the rear axle tubes or the subframe, ensuring they are firmly seated before gently lowering the vehicle. When you are ready to lower your Mustang, first raise the car slightly with your floor jack, just enough to relieve pressure from the jack stands. Carefully remove all jack stands from beneath the vehicle. Then, slowly and steadily lower the car completely to the ground using the floor jack. Once fully lowered, remove the jack and all other tools, ensuring the area is clear and safe before moving your Mustang.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.